And now what we have to do is we have to create this hotspot frequency in the DR mode. So you go to dstarinfo.com, you go to the download section, you go scroll down here, and you want to repeater list downloads for DR mode radios is what you want. You select that, put your location in here, Chattanooga, or whatever, do a lookup location. Gives you the latitude and the longitude. You can enter that back and write that down. You put it in your Zum spot. Select a radio. It's going to be for the America and North America market. Kenwood THD74A. Down here on empty slots, you want to go ahead and put the maximum here, 50 for right now. And I'll explain that. Hit the downloads. And you want to do a save as and pick a location. And I've done this before. So I've saved it to the desktop. Go ahead and exit this. We want to open up our Kenwood MCP program. And while that's opening up, make sure you have a formatted card. And you format the card right here in the Kenwood radio. So that way you can have a properly formatted card. And what I'm doing here is I'm not using wires or USB cables or Bluetooth to change these frequencies or import these frequencies. I find it just a whole lot quicker doing it by way of computer. So we're going to set the radio aside. We're going to import repeater list from file. So we go up here. That file that we downloaded, it's going to be KRNATHD74 TSV, that's tab separated value. You open it up, choose the right market. Go up here and select to the left of the number. Insert, do this a couple times. And what this does is it gives you some space so that we can add this hotspot frequency. So just do that a couple times. All right. So we go back to our frequency. 433.100 is what I chose. Use the tab button here. World religion. Actually, what we need to do is we need to edit the area first. This is where we create that place called Hotspot. So we do that, hit the tab, go over here, put Zum, Spot. If you have a DVAP, you can add it in this column right here. And then Zum 440. And of course, if you have a DVAP, you can add DVAP 440. And there's a reason for all this. We'll show you. So world region, it's going to be a hotspot. Country is Zum spot. We're just kind of changing the groupings here. In the group, it's a 440, so we choose 440 Zum. And then a call sign. And don't use my call, but put your call sign in here. W6GPS. And what I do is I push the space bar till it stops. Back up. Back up. So what I'll do is I do a backspace and put B. Hit the tab button. It's gonna be RPT2, so it's hit the space bar till it stops, hit the backspace, and put a G. That way right here you've got your RPT1 and your RPT2 correct. You can go over here and give it an alpha tag. I'm just going to call this Zum Mobile. Well, let's get that right. That way right here, you've got your RPT1 and your RPT2 correct. You can go over here and give it an alpha tag. I'm just going to call this Zum Mobile. Well, let's get that right. Zum Mobile. Okay, now then, take the card out of the radio, make sure it's powered off. Take the card out. You're going to put it in a little adapter on the side of the computer. See right here, put a little card, you're going to put in the little card in the adapter right there. And it boots up. You can minimize that. The next thing you want to do is export repeater list to file. So we're going to give it a name. So I put like dates. And then we're going to choose a location. We're going to go to the Kenwood folder on that card that you formatted. And you're going to go to settings and repeater list. So you have a name here and you hit save. So once that's saved, you're gonna take the little card out right here, my adapter. Okay, so now that we've got the card in there, we go to menu, import, repeater list only, the list that we created, and choose the right market. Let it load. It's going to radio's going to reboot when you hit OK. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go down here, hold the bottom button down here, and it says repeater list, Hotspot, Zum Spot, Zum 40, 440, Zum Mobile. Once we do that, we can go up here to let's just choose a different reflector, like link to reflector. We're going to go to 14 Charlie. Hit link to 14 Charlie. So if we get that, that means everything's working right. So we can go back up here. We've linked to reflector. Go back to the reflector menu. And we're going to use reflector. It's W6 GPS. Anybody on 14 Charlie for a quick signal report?
Kilo Delta 4 Hotel Lima. You sound great.
Okay, real fine. Just doing a video and just wanted to get a quick demo in here. Thank you very much. W6 GPS in Chattanooga. And there you go. Everything's all working.
Oh my gosh, W6 GPS. I just saw all these videos on the YouTube about the D74. That's the radio that I'm on right now, and I just want to thank you for making the YouTube channels. I just want to say thank you. So, W6 GPS, KV4H, clear.
Okay, real fine. W6 GPS.